In this video I will show you how to run the Python console in Lexocad and how to write simple scripts. To start the Python console in Lexocad, please go to Extra, Python console. This starts Python, and it also imports the core libraries of Lexocad. Despite this, I will show you how to start by importing the Lexocad libraries, because this is usually the first step you have to do in your Python script. So the first statement would be import open Lexapp as Lx. So this loads the Open Lexocad app library. The second thing you usually do is to get the active document. Lx application get instance get active document. Lexocad can host multiple documents, and the active document is the one you see here. So if we want to add something into this document here, we have to get the active document instance. So this is this one here. Check it. This is Open Lexocad document. The next thing for the simple script, I would like to create a geometry in the form of a block. In Lexocad, you always need a wrapper for your geometry, which is an element. An element is just a generic container. An element could also be a wall, it could also be a window, it could be a slab, it could be anything. So the most generic thing is, as I said, it's an element. So I create an element. To do this, I use the Lx namespace. I call element, and I have to tell them that I want to create it in the active document. As you see, you don't see anything in the in here, because you just hand over the information, you create the instances, but later you must tell the document to be aware of the changes and call recompute. But I'll show you that later. So first we create the element. The next thing is we want to add a geometry to the element. In this case, we want a block. So Lx block, same story. We create it in the document. So we have created the block. We did not assign it to the element yet. This will follow soon, but I want to change some parameters of the block. The block has, for example, x length. I want to set it to 3. I can set the y length 4. I can set z length 5. And now I want to add the geometry to the element. So this is done by set geometry. Okay. Right. So as I said, you don't see anything because this is just, it creates the instances, but the document is not yet aware of the changes. So to make the document aware of the changes, you have to call recompute. And once you have done this, you see that there's a block here.